It's so disheartening to see what's happening to scientific research, and in our case, particularly pancreatic cancer research. It's the Department of Defense program that you talk about it was the culmination of so much hard work that was done by advocacy groups and whatnot to put the Recalcitrant Cancer Act bill into Congress that led to this Department of Defense program where there were funds that were earmarked for cancers like pancreatic cancer and lung cancer that are the more difficult to treat cancers. And that program just ended like that. And it's certainly an area or a disease that we need as much work, we need as much effort as we can, because we have made a lot of progress over the last few years for programs that are like this. I have funding from the NIH, the National Cancer Institute. That trial that I showed you with the adenosine inhibitor, that's part funded by the National Cancer Institute through a grant that we have. No one knows what tomorrow is going to bring. I do think that at least word that we've gotten is that hopefully the NIH budget is not going to go down by too much. It's thought that at least the research that they're funding, they're going to keep that at the level that they are, but they're going to redistribute it. And what's happening right now is that there's just been a pause button that's been hit, and they're kind of, figuring out how they're going to distribute things. But I'm hopeful. I'm hopeful that there will be value seen in the work that we're doing. The NIH is so important to help fuel our biomedical research enterprise, and it's the only way we're going to be able to make progress against diseases like pancreatic cancer. So unfortunate what's happened to the Department of Defense, no question. Hopefully that doesn't spill into other areas too. But I remain hopeful that at least for translational or research for really needed causes like pancreatic cancer, it's going to be okay.